Hello students, in this video we are going to solve 10 MCQs of chapter 8 Cell, the unit of life from subject biology of class 11th. MCQ 1, common characteristic feature of plant sieve tube cells and most of mammalian erythrocyte is dash. Option A, absence of mitochondria. Option B, presence of cell wall. Option C, presence of hemoglobin. Option D, absence of nucleus. Now answer in 15 seconds. Answer is option A, that is absence of mitochondria. MCQ 2, select one which is not true for ribosome. Option A, made of two subunits. Option B, form polysome. Option C, may attach to mRNA. Option D, have no role in protein synthesis. You have given 15 seconds to answer. Answer is option D, that is have no role in protein synthesis. MCQ 3, which one of these is not a eukaryote? Option A, Euglena. Option B, Anabaena. Option C, Spirogyra. Option D, Agaricus. Now give answer in 15 seconds. Answer is option B, that is Anabaena. MCQ 4, which of the following dyes is best suited for staining chromosomes? Option A, basic fuchsin. Option B, safranin. Option C, methylene blue. Option D, carmine. You have given 15 seconds to answer. Answer is option D, that is carmine. MCQ 5, different cells have different sizes. Arrange the following cells in an ascending order of their size. Choose the option among the following. First one, mycoplasma. Second, ostrich eggs. Third, human RBC. Fourth, bacteria. Option A, 1, 4, 3 and 2. Option B, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Option C, 2, 1, 3 and 4. Option D, 3, 2, 1 and 4. Now you have given 15 seconds to answer. Answer is option A, that is 1, 4, 3 and 2. MCQ 6, which of the following features is common to prokaryotes and many eukaryotes? Option A, chromosomes present. Option B, cell wall present. Option C, nuclear membrane present. Option D, subcellular organelles present. Now give answer in 15 seconds. Answer is option B, that is cell wall present. MCQ 7. Who proposed the fluid mosaic model of plasma membrane? Option A, Cambliogolgi. Option B, Sculdin and Sukwan. Option C, Singer and Nicholson. Option D, Robert Brown. Now give answer in 15 seconds. Answer is option C, that is Singer and Nicholson. MCQ 8. Which of the following statement is true for a secretory cell? Option A, Golgi apparatus is absent. Option B, RER is easily observed in the cell. Option C, only SER is present. Option D, secretory granules are formed in nucleus. Now give answer in 15 seconds. Answer is option B, that is RER is easily observed in the cell. MCQ 9. What is tonoplast? Option A, outer membrane of mitochondria. Option B, inner membrane of chloroplast. Option C, membrane boundary of the vacuole of plant cells. Option D, cell membrane of a plant cell. Now you have given 15 seconds to choose answer. Answer is option C, that is membrane boundary of the vacuole of plant cells. MCQ 10. Which of the following is not true of a eukaryotic cell? Option A, it has ATS type of ribosome present in the mitochondria. Option B, it has ATS type of ribosome present in the cytoplasm. Option C, mitochondria contain circular DNA. Option D, membrane bound organelles are present. Now choose answer in 15 seconds. Answer is option A, that is it has ATS type of ribosome present in the mitochondria. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe this channel and join ACE Education online classes. Call 958 239 7449.